The Supreme Court struck down Trump's tariffs. But what did they actually say? Why was I gripping these so hard? Hello, my name's David. I'm a law student. I read the opinion, so you don't have to. Last year, Trump enacted sweeping global tariffs under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act of 1977, IEPA. This allowed the president to deal with declared national emergencies by regulating importation. Noted that a tariff is a tax levied on important goods and services that raises revenue. And Article 1, Section 8 of the U.S. Constitution gives the authority exclusively to Congress to levy taxes. In certain cases, this power can be loaned to the president with clear instructions of how to use it. Chief Justice Roberts, writing for the 6-3 majority, ruled that IEPA's authorization to regulate imports during times of emergencies did not grant the president power to levy tariffs. Thus, the tariffs that Trump imposed were illegal. While the court's majority agreed in the outcome that the tariffs were illegal, they disagreed partly in the reasoning for why. The 3 liberal justices joined only parts of the Roberts opinion, and wrote separately that just straight-up analysis of the statute can show that Congress never gave the president this power. Hundreds of federal laws authorize agencies to regulate, yet none of these authorize the power to tax. When Congress delegates tariff authority, it uses specific terms like tariff, duty, surcharge, words absent from IEPA. No president had used IEPA in this way before either. Gorsuch, Barrett, and Roberts more so pointed to the major questions doctrine. That is, if Congress wanted to delegate its power to make decisions of vast economic or political significance, it would do so with clear direction. Powers like taxation. If not, use of that power is invalid. I mean, this is presumably to preserve separation of powers and rein in the presidency. There's a part where Gorsuch goes at the other justices for definitions of the major question doctrine and canons, but it's not important for this video. The dissenting opinion argued that this was a valid use of IEPA and that the major questions doctrine had never been used for foreign affairs before. The court did not weigh in, however, on how the federal government should refund the importers that paid over $200 billion in tariffs. So there is so much uncertainty in this. Also, Trump has already enacted new tariffs, citing Section 122 of the Trade Act of 1974, but is already being sued as an unlawful application of that law. I'm trying to take complex topics and distill them into things you actually need to know. Want to see more? Give me a follow.